This is going to be a video tutorial on how to always show all toolbox icons in Gimp. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Gimp here. I have Gimp opened up now. If you look off to the upper left-hand corner in my toolbox, you can see that all of my tools are being displayed in here. None of them are hidden. The way to do this, you want to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the Edit tab, click on Edit. Then you want to go down to where it says Preferences, and click on Preferences. Now in the little dialog box that appears, the pane off to the left-hand side in the Interface section, you want to make sure the Interface section is expanded. Right down here is Toolbox. Click on Toolbox. And off to the right, in the Appearance section, at the very bottom of the Appearance section, use Tool Groups. If that is checked, some of your tools will be hidden. I'm going to check mine. Now as you can see, a lot of my tools are now hidden under Other Tools. I'm going to go back over. I'm going to uncheck Use Tool Groups. Now all of my tools are being shown. Then in the dialog box, you want to go down to the lower right hand corner and click on OK. That is how to show all of your tools in your toolbox in Gimp. Thanks for watching.